got a little emotional back there. That kind of snuck up on me. I didn't expect that. But it's true. I am so lucky to be doing what I'm doing. Come to think of it, I hope you understood what I was saying. Wouldn't that be great? I'll upload the video and it's oh man. I am just putzing along today compared to yesterday. But it's a little bit more of a traily trail kind of thing. I think the people going uphill have the right of way. I'm almost positive. Now we're at California Pass, 12,960 feet. It's a busy spot. Should be able to make it down this fairly easy. First gear engine braking mode. I'm afraid to use brakes all the way down these things. God, you probably burn them up in one trip. That's not a whole bad view to look at. Make sure my camera's straight so you guys are seeing this. Oh man. Must be getting down to a sane altitude where trees can grow. Oh, got a little creek running down alongside of us. That might be one of the Animas creeks that we're going to end up. I think we're going to end up in the ghost town of Animas Forks. But so far, weather's holding out. I'm just taking a little break here. Something there is a lot of abandoned mines around here. Now, I'm not exactly sure what they were mining for. Silver, lead, zinc, manganese, phosphate, cryptocurrency. I don't know what they were mining for. But Pretty amazing that the buildings are still standing. These things are very, very old. Oh, this is the Frisco Mines. It has a name and a plaque. People know things. I don't. Pretty amazing that the buildings can still stand after all this time. I'm sure, looks like those two up on the hill have been restored or something. But pretty wild. People drugged all this stuff up here to mine. I just can't imagine dragging everything up here. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Jurassic Park. Oh, no, Animas Forks. Sorry, my mistake. Animas Forks, not Jurassic Park. No dinosaurs. Now, I think a lot of these buildings have been restored, but there is a bunch of them here. You can go inside of them. I'm not going to. I've been there. I've done that. I'm moving on. But it is still another thing you guys need to get out here and see. I would have to say if I hurt myself here, there'd be plenty of help. This is kind of like a traffic jam. This is a popular spot. That's just a whole lot of beautiful. Well, I did contemplate going up Cinnamon Pass, but I don't know, it's getting cloudier and cloudier. I don't want to press my luck. I've had such a good day. I don't want to ruin it. So I'm going to take this road. It'll take me down into Silverton, and then I'll ride 550 coming back. The $1 Million Highway. I didn't air down my tires because I was afraid of getting pinch flats, and that's what happens when you air down, that your tire actually pinches on the rim and it puts a hole in the tube. So I figure it's probably safer for me just to leave them up at manufacturer's suggested air. And so far I haven't had any real traction problems. I've had more engine power problems. That surprised me. I thought this would pull a lot better. But it did the job. The old WR is still kicking. These rocks, when we were riding that Jeep, they just beat the crap out of you. But on the bike you can stand up and let the bike move, and yeah, it jars your arms a little bit, but it really isn't bad. And I'm going like 4 times faster than we were in the Jeep. We were crawling over this stuff for good reason. It was beating us up. This is the way to travel in the mountain. I gotta get the grandsons out here. That would be an epic trip. We could do it. We could get out here faster because they wouldn't lollygag like I did and take 3 days to get out here. Spend a good couple of 2-3 days riding. Beat butt back home so they can get to their jobs. I may go up Yankee Basin today. I don't know. We'll see. I should save some video. I'm running low on time on video. I should save some video. So maybe I'll cut this section short here, and we'll go back to U-Ray, and I'll get Yankee Boy Basin. So catch you guys in a little bit. Busy place. Well, I'm up on Yankee Boy Basin. I thought it was just going to be this little foo-foo ride. Holy crap, this may be the hardest one I've gone up. And I have to go down it. And I'm actually a little more concerned on going down than I was coming up, because you got to be able to stop yourself. So I ain't got a lot of video time left here. So we'll see what we can get. But it's pretty intense. Oh man, just trying to maintain my speed so I don't get going too fast. I'm doing the first gear engine braking. There are some intense spots going down here though, because they were intense going up. Like this one coming up here. This was a pretty intense area, trying to go up it. Oh geez. It's just also loose. Thank you, sir. If I can not crash. So far so good. Gravel, gravel. Staying out of the gravel. This was not what I expected on this trail. Holy crap. Wait a minute, I gotta stop. Look at that view. My camera pointing in the right direction? God, I hope so. Look at that. You get so transfixed on what's coming up in front of you, you forget to look around once in a while. Yeah, this was not what I expected. I expect this little foo-foo ride, because everybody says when you get here, oh, you should drive up to Yankee Boy Basin. And I'm like, oh yeah, that's just a place they tell everybody, all the newbies, to go. Holy crap. Yeah, most of it is. It's a gravel road. But all of a sudden, it just turns ugly. Ugly, ugly. Even this, I don't know if it's coming out on camera, but so many boulders and things to look out for. Get up here on this edge. And then gravel like this, man, just wants to slide out from under you. And it's like, you have to be careful. You might look like you're taking the easy line. The easy line ends up dumping you off a rock ledge. All right. Yep. Mandalorian would say, this is the way through the creek. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Made it. Nailed it. Oh. Don't drive in the water if you don't have to. You don't know what's under there. Unless it's clear. Then you can pretty much see. This one's pretty clear, but taking the weenie way anyway. Yeah, this is wild. Lots of creeks here. Check my GPS, make sure I'm going the right way. I can't look at the GPS and drive. It's like you need your 100% focus on what's in front of you. This is pretty cool. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Pick your line. I'll go over here and get stretched by the tree. Ow. Oh yeah, here's some boulders. Just keep yourself going. Keep that gyroscopic action of the wheels going. Pretty intense stuff. I have no idea what's under this water. I'm going to go over here. Alright, is that the end of the tough stuff? Remember, this looks pretty interesting. Run over the hikers. I don't even know if I'm still recording. I know I'm getting close to the end. I'm trying to just use up what I got. I don't know if I mentioned, but that was Yankee Basin that I was heading up to. Here's the infamous rock overhang. Whoa! And the cliff that just falls off to nowhere on the other side. More aspens. More tour people. See if we can get them to all the wave. Yeah, we got some of them. That was an epic ride for my birthday. I couldn't have asked for any better of a ride. The weather held out. It's still warm here. It's still sunny. There was some moments there where somebody turned into somewhat of a blubbering mess. I went back and watched the video and realized I'm probably going to have to add subtitles to that. Anyways, we're taking a day off tomorrow. We're not riding. So this video is so long, I don't know if I can edit it down. It's all so epic. To a guy who likes riding dirt bikes, it is. Anyways, I may have to make it a two-parter, possibly three. Who knows? Who knows? Catch you guys later.